short shot. Headline 1. Veteran Bollywood actor Kumkum, who worked in around 115 films, and popular songs such as Kabhi Yaar Kabhi Paar and Mere Mehboob Qayamat Hogi, passes away on Tuesday at her Bandra residence at the age of 86.
कभी यार कभी पार लगाती है नजर, कभी यार कभी पार लगाती है नजर, सैया घायल की अरे सुने मोरा जिगर।
Television director and late comedian Jagdeep's son Naved Jafri tweeted to confirm the news. Johnny Walker's son Nasir Khan had stated in an Instagram post that Kumkum was 86 years old. Offering condolences, he had shared, yesteryear's film actress Kumkum Aunty passed away. Headline 2. Mihan, Nagpur. With India being a key strategic partner for France in Asia, and in keeping with their developing defense cooperation, India's first private facility for production of Rafale fighter jets and Falcon civilian aircraft was established at Mihan, Nagpur, under a joint venture between French aerospace firm Dassault Aviation and Indian conglomerate Reliance Group. Headline 3. Sushant Singh Rajput's sister, Meetu Singh's statement was recorded by the Patna police team at a private residence in Versova, Mumbai. As per sources, the Patna police team officials met Meetu after she left from Mumbai Crime Office. On July 18th, an FIR was registered against Riya Chakraborty at Rajiv Nagar police station in Patna. Headline 4. In charge of dope control at the IPL. For the very first time, the National Anti-Doping Agency (NADA) might have to outsource the task of sample collection, given the high cost of handling the exercise when the event is held in the UAE. The next best option for NADA will be using the services of UAE's National Anti-Doping Organization (NADO) or contact Sweden's International Dope Test and Management (IDTM), which has done sample collection and testing for the last 12 seasons of the IPL. Headline 5. Akhil Akkineni and Pooja Hegde took to social media to unveil the new poster of their upcoming film, Most Eligible Bachelor. Directed by Bommarillu Bhaskar, the film is scheduled to hit the theatres on Pongal 2021. According to the latest poster, Akhil shared the new poster and revealed that it shows what they have been up to during the quarantine. In the photo, Pooja Hegde can be seen teasing Akhil, who seems to be working on a laptop. Headline 6. The narcotics cell of Delhi police has arrested a murder convict Devendra Sharma. He was serving life imprisonment in Jaipur's central jail after committing at least a dozen murders. According to the police, Devendra Sharma and his associates were accused of killing dozens of truck and taxi drivers between 2002 and 2004 for robbery. Headline 7. Bhubaneswar, girls outshone boys by 4 percentage points in the matriculation, Class 10, examination conducted by the Board of Secondary Education, BSE, Odisha, the results of which were announced on Wednesday. The pass percentage of girls was 81.98% while that of boys was 77.80%. The overall pass percentage in the examination was 78.76%. School and Mass Education Minister S.R. said, 4,21,256 out of the 5,34,843 students passed the examination. Headline 8. Bhubaneswar, the National Human Rights Commission, NHRC has sought an action taken report, ATR from Cuttack Bhubaneswar Twin City Commissioner of Police. over the death of motivational speaker and human rights activist Aditya Dash. Acting on a complaint filed by Supreme Court lawyer and social activist Radhakanta Tripathi, the NHRC has asked the Commissioner to submit a detailed reply within 4 weeks. Headline 9. With film production being stalled for over 3 months, the entertainment industry came to a staggering halt. Owing to the pandemic, a number of actors have been finding it difficult to sustain the lockdown. Bollywood actor Kartika Sahu from Odisha has resorted to selling vegetables to make ends meet. Headline 10. Bhubaneswar. The Odisha government has released as many as 16,789 prisoners from various jails across the state. In a period of over 4 months in the wake of novel coronavirus pandemic, a total of 16,639 under trial prisoners, UTPs, and 150 convicts have been released between March 20th and July 28th as part of decongestion measures of jails following the recommendation of a high-power committee. Headline 11. Bhubaneswar, Odisha recorded 1,215 fresh coronavirus cases in the last 24 hours, taking the total positive tally to 28,107, informed State Health Department. Of the fresh cases, 753 have been detected from various quarantine centers while 462 are local contact cases. Headline 12. New Delhi, Ram Mandir's construction will finally begin from August 5th in Ayodhya, Uttar Pradesh. The groundbreaking ceremony of the temple is scheduled to begin from 11 a.m. and is likely to be attended by over 200 high-profile guests, including Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Necessary measures will take place for taking in view of pandemic situation of corona. Headline 13. Delhi, Union Environment Minister Prakash Javadekar and Minister of State Babul Supriyo on Tuesday released Tiger Census report ahead of International Tiger Day on Wednesday. Releasing the report, Union Minister Prakash Javadekar said, India has 50 tiger reserves, and none of them are poor quality. Javadekar will also dedicate the Guinness World Record to the people on Tuesday on the eve of Global Tiger Day 2020. Headline 14. New Delhi Vertical Bar. The new education policy was approved in a cabinet meeting chaired by Prime Minister Narendra Modi today. The education policy in India has changed after 34 years. The government has said that by 2035, it has set a target of 50% enrollment in higher education. Under the new national education policy, major universities across the world will be able to build their own campuses in the country. The cabinet has also approved the renaming of the HRD, Human Resource and Development, Ministry to the Ministry of Education. Headline 15. New Delhi, nearly 8 million subscribers of the Employee Provident Fund Organization, EPFO, dipped into their crucial retirement fund and withdrew as much as 30,000 crore in under 4 months starting April. Short shot.